So this is our last full day here in Siargao, and this for today is we will be having an island tour. So of course, pag nandito ako sa Siargao, hindi pwedeng walang island tours. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Am I late? Of course, we're Filipino. We're 10 minutes late. Ayan, buckle up for our last day here in Siargao. Oh my gosh! Yes, Siargao will let me Siargao without trying the Tri-Island tours. Guys, we have arrived at the chop-off point of the Island Hopping. Guys, ito na yung kick-off ng Island Hopping. So, lahat na ng mga island hopping is naka-regulated na by the tourism of local government. Island hopping rates that we get is 1,400 pesos. Nakuha din namin ito kay Kuya Duan. So, siya lahat ng mga naging supplier namin sa aming trips for this Siargao. We are now complete, so we will now be following the guide already, going to our boat. So, kailangan talaga natin ng SPF at least 100 for this activity. Ayan,
so, we have destination, the Guyam Island, Daku Island, and Naked Island. Then we have 2 more side trips, the snorkeling side and the Secret Sand. So we will go first to Naked Island. It takes 20 to 25 minutes boat ride. And then after Naked Island, guys, we will stay 1 hour to Naked Island. Then after Naked Island, we will go to our first side trip, the Secret Garden. We will do snorkeling for 30 minutes. And after the snorkeling, we will go to our lunch area, the Daku Island, guys. Okay? So, the Daku Island, we will stay longer, I think until 1 p.m. guys. So, our lunch is a budol fight, is the food arranged in a long table with the lettering of Siargao. After lunch, guys, after Daku Island, we will go to our last side trip, the Secret Sandbar. So it's only swimming for 30 minutes. And then after the sandbar, we will go to our last stop, the Guyam Island, which is mag-stay tayo ng 1 hour. Okay? And then
so,
we will go back.
Approximately what time mag-end?
Alin?
What time mag-end yung island?
Maybe 3 or 4. 3 or 4.
Wait.
That's all, guys. Have fun. And
po, first stop, snorkeling spot. Wow, ang grabe na. Ang bluer ng water. Wow. We are in the second spot, Naked Island. It's been my second time here. Yung way back 2016 ba yun? 17. Galing kami sa hotel. So nag-island hopping kami dito sa Siargao. So ngayon na talaga ako nakabalik. So this is my second time already. We have arrived at Daku Island. This is the largest island on the 3 that we will be visiting today. Actually, God, sobrang init guys. Napakainit. So always bring your sunblock kasi init talaga guys, sobra. Maraming mga cottages, may mga tinda din, kaya lang sobrang init. Guys, look at the Budol 5. Oh my gosh, ito na ba?
Yes.
Oh,
Guys, let's take a
It's gonna po. You're calling for the kuya. Kuya, this way. Boy, boy. Teacher. Ano dyan?
Guys, look at
1, 2, 3.
Budol 5. Massive.
Sir, saglit muna, sir. Bang, wala pa, bang, wala pa.
A few inches later.
Ito yung aftermath ng Budol 5. So ito yung pinaka-longest time na nagsistay kayo sa isang island during sa Island Happy. So I guess parang 11 kami nag-arrive. So lilipat kami sa Guyam at 1 PM. Almost 2 hours. So dito magaganap yung lunch nyo. Nakita nyo naman kayo na kung gaano ka-massive yung Budol fight dito guys. Super busog. So there's not much thing here. Waiting na lang for the next destination, which is later mamaya at 1 PM sa Guyam. I think that would be our second to the last destination na pupuntahan. Tapos meron pa ng isa, parang Secret Garden Beach yan. So for 1,400, ma-avail mo na yung Budol Fight at saka yung mga tours sa Island Happy. Dito muna tayo sa Secret Sandbar. Pa-high tide siya. So parang Maldives ang peg.
Pero may malit na sandbar dito pag malaking load at mga malit na mayo.
Uy, maganda na ito ganito be. Stop na kami guys. This is the Guyam Island. Okay na guys, this is the Guyam Island. Guys, low tide yung Guyam as of the moment. So medyo not that really good pag medyo high tide siya, low tide siya. So it's best to come here medyo hapon na para malaki yung tubig. But despite the low tide, ganda din naman yung Guyam guys. Worth it din siyang puntahan. Ang lively na ng Guyam oh. May ano na doon, may store na sila. Dito. Coconut Bite. No? That's the island that describes the island vibes of Siargao. Our island hopping guys stops here at Guyam Island. It's currently 3 p.m. and we are now on our way. Babalik na kami sa mainland ng Siargao. So the totality of our island hopping comprises only of 5 destinations. The first is your Naked Island. The second is yung Daco Island. The third one is itong Secret Sandbar. And the last one is itong Guyam Island. It's my second time here and still maganda pa rin naman yung places. Though medyo crowded na siya kasi ang daming mga afambesh. Parang 80% of the tourists here are mga foreigners. Then 20% mga others. No? Ayun. So it's good that the Siargao is getting back, no, from the storm na struck sa kanila. That was 2 years or 1 year ago ba yun? I forgot the year. Yeah. So I think that's the end of our island hopping here in Siargao, and we'll be heading back muna to the horizon. Andito na kami ngayon sa mainland ng Siargao. So we decided to go first na lang muna sa Cloud9. Thank you kuya. Nasa Shaka na kami guys. Ayan. Tapos of course pupuntahan natin yung resort ay restaurant ni Andy. Yung Shaka. Ito yung Shaka. Yung Shaka guys is karugtong din siya ng ng Cloud9. Kaso kasi sa Cloud9 may bayad ng 100. So dito, pag papasok ka dito, makakalusot ka dito sa Cloud9. But before that, kakain muna tayo dito sa restaurant ni Andy. Itong Happy Islanders. Yan, dyan po Happy Islanders. Ano kayo mapagkain ni Andy? Fortunately, wala si Andy. Pero andito kami ngayon sa kanyang restaurant. Pero nandito yung car ni Andy sa labas na kanyang restaurant. Ang car niya. Sabi ng crew dito, baka nag-surfing daw sila with Phil. Hopefully we can meet her. Kasi nung first day namin dito, na-meet namin siya. Kasi medyo nahiya lang kami, hindi kami nakapapicture. Magpakondolence sana kami sa pagkamatay ng kanyang mama. Oh my God. Guys, sa harap ng restaurant ni Andy, doon sa may unahan is Cloud9 na. Dito sa harap is yung Shaka. So, since may entrance fee si Cloud9, dito tayo kay Shaka dadaan. Kasi walang entrance fee. Shaka connected lang siya sa Cloud9. Ito na yung harap ng Shaka. Ayun na yung boardwalk. Nakikita ko na yung boardwalk na yun. May mga nagsusurfing na doon banda. Hi! Hello! Ayan. Besh, when you come here in Siargao, after 5 days, you'll become the locals here. Literally, your skin will become the locals here in Siargao. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Basta kami dito sa Cloud9 guys, we will be heading back to Tropical Temple kasi we will have a short dip before kami mag-pack for our checkout tomorrow early morning. Guys, rise and shine. Good morning. It's our last day here in Siargao and currently I am now waiting for my sundo kasi uuwi na tayo ngayon guys. So yung pauwi natin is still the same. Kung napunta tayo dito via land trip is ganun din tayo pabalik. Kasi for me is a way cheaper siya compared for a booking a flight, direct flight to Siargao. Kasi it's really very expensive to fly to Siargao directly. Yung mga flight yata umaabot na lang hanggang umaabot ng 12,000 for round trip. So for me, since Mindanao lang din naman siya, so I opted and decided to to do land trip. So ngayon hinihintay ko si kuya kasi susunduin niya kami papunta ng Dapa Port. And it's currently 5:30 AM. So napabook na din kami kay Kuya Dwight ng bangka papunta sa Dapa a day ahead. So nabayaran niya is 450 and our fast grab will depart at 6:30 AM. So hinihintay ko pa din si Joel kasi sabay kami ngayon aalis. Dalawa na lang kami. Si Berto umalis na siya. Pumunta na siya ng airport. Nag-plane siya papunta ng Davao. May sumpa abang Siargao.
Sunto kasi si Sir. Nakalarga na. Wala pa.
Kanina na 4 AM siya sinundo.
May pa siguro.
Yung Siargao course guys is para kayo man ang umuwi. Kailangan nang umuwi. May klase na bukas. Guys, nakaabot na dyan sa Dapa. 6:30 yung trip. So 6:10 we have arrived here. My environmental fee na 10 pesos. Dadaan pa rin tayo doon sa area guys na kung saan tayo lumabas. Yung binayaran namin guys is 10 pesos na environmental fee at saka 10 pesos na terminal fee. That's the fast track that we will be riding. So nasa aircon tayo. Dito lang yung fast track nila. Yung upuan is plastic chairs. Pero air condition naman siya. On time yung departure. Perfect. Have arrived at Surigao City. Thank you Siargao Adventures for bringing us back to Surigao City safe. Meron silang kokalyong guys kasi hindi din yung docking area nila for Cebu. Yung kasamahan namin na dalawa, yan yung sasakyan nila napunta ng Cebu. A bit cheap kasi if you will fly to Cebu na lang and you'll hop on a kokalyong boat papunta dito sa Surigao. Medyo matagal yung biyahe, but that's the cheapest way. Medyo malayo yung guys, yung bus terminal sa port. It takes around 15 minutes na motor ride. 150 pesos po yung nabayaran namin. Diyos ko Lord. Ang mahal. Ano namin ng terminal dito guys. Dito sa Matawel. Ayan guys, so dito nasakyan namin na bus papunta ng Cagayan de Oro. Kaya yung terminal is dito banda sa Robinson's Place, which is new terminal siya, small. Lahat ng mga bus ito papunta ng Cagayan. So we need to transfer to the older terminal nila papunta ng Davao. Yung sinakyan para namin na bus is dadaan din pala siya sa sa main bus terminal dito sa Butuan. Na-eager lang kami kaya bumaba kami agad.
Ako na lang.
So right now we are in a taxi on our way to the terminal. Nakakita namin bus guys, Taco.